In this video, I am going to show you how to add a Pinterest feed to your website using Elfsight. 1. Head over to elfsight.com and select the Pinterest feed widget from the menu. 2. Click on Create Widget. You can find the direct link in the video description. Choose a template that best suits your website's style, and then click Continue with this template. Select the content you want to display: Pinterest profile, boards, or separate pins. Tailor the elements, colors, width, and height of the widget on your layout and style tabs according to your preferences, of course. Once satisfied, click Install to add the widget. After that, you will be provided with the HTML code for the Pinterest widget. Click Copy, and then head to your WordPress website and then add an HTML block. Paste the provided code and click Save, and the Pinterest widget will be added to your website. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.